Replacing a Nitro Faucet regulation cone is easy. Start by unscrewing the nozzle tip from your Nitro Faucet. Inside you'll see a jet disc along with an O-ring holding it in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently remove the O-ring. Once the O-ring is out, the jet disc along with the regulation cone will fall out of the nozzle. Then simply reassemble your faucet in the same order. Start with the regulation cone, making sure the cone tip is facing down in the nozzle, followed by the jet disc, and then place the O-ring in by hand, and using your tool, gently push it down so it sits flush around the entire jet disc. Then screw the nozzle back on your Nitro Faucet, and you're ready to go.